In 2022, Anggar Beach in Sibolga City produced around 1 ton of marine debris. We got this data from the result of a beach cleanup in that place for 1 year. Most of the marine debris come from household activities. Nearly 70% of households immediately throw their trash into the sea. We got this from the survey we conducted in Pasar Belakang. One of the basic factors that the coastal communities don't have is self-awareness to dispose of trash in trash bin because people in there are used to this since they live in there. Apart from the factor of daily habit, the factor of lack of knowledge regarding the impact that will occur them from the bad habit is also not yet widespread in the people of the Pasar Belakang. The majority of the population work as a fisherman and also the mother work to support the family. This causes children not to spend much time with their parents because their parents busy for working, and in environmental education, teamwork within the family is also very necessary in transmitting good habits to children. The habit of disposing the trash should be obtained from the family, but they didn't. The Green Camp family aim of 20 coastal families in the Pasar Belakang Sibolga, Indonesia. Each family participant consists of the child aged 9 until 17 years and one parent. All learning sessions will be conducted in the outdoors to help participants get closer to nature and learn from their observation. Activities will contain education and practice regarding sorting and disposing of waste in trash bin, family games, parents and child session. These little things will certainly help reduce household waste that leak into the sea.